Okay, welcome to another learning video. So in this video, what we are going to do is for each and every route or over here, like for the default route about and what else, and you are providing something like template and some arguments over here and all those stuff. Okay, so what it would be like if I just give one function, that's it, right? So and that function will handle everything and return it. So things will be more manageable in the future. You will see like how it will become more manageable and all those stuff, right? One thing is it will declutter this page, make it more readable. But yeah, in future you'll just see like as we move along in this video series, right? So that's the idea over here. So for that, I've created a folder called pages, right? So, and somehow I'm going to move everything over here, right? So the first thing what I'm just going to do is like just drag and drop this template, but of course you can use something else. But dragging and dropping over here, I think it just somehow simulates Canva and Canva asks me whether should I move or not, and it tells me the preview and look over here like okay this okay like what to say even over here, right, in this handler, right? So if you can see like little ring things dot template has been changed to little ring things dot pages dot template. So it kind of understands it, so it's a powerful feature. Okay, so I'll just say, yeah, apply, yeah, right. Okay, so, and yeah, I need to change it. Okay, so I need to change over here, and yeah, I need to change over here. Yeah, if I just, I just saved these files because changes were applied on these files, but these files weren't saved by default by Canva, and so I just saved it. Okay, so that's how things went. Okay, so yeah. So now things should work, right? So let me just launch my terminal and do this lean server. Oh God, every time I just do this, okay, like lean ring server, right? So and hopefully things work. Yes, it shows hello world. Okay, and so this means, yeah, the template stuff is working, right? So, and if I just put say slash time and I just get the current time and all those stuff. And yes, things are working. So let me just move this hello world, sorry, this default route to this pages. Okay, so yeah, like uh okay, this usually we call it as the root stuff. Okay, so in what to say in I'll just put another template to sorry terminal to explain, right? So in Linux or whatever, like in Unix, the slash is default root, right? So in fact, like yeah, web technology was born out of Unix computer, like and so slash is also in a website is called as default root. It's called as root. Okay, so I'll just put a thing called root.clj, right? Root.clj, right? So and then yeah, like over here, what I can just do is yeah, this is what they say as root page, but no, like first I need to require template over here, right? So like require require, right? So yeah, template I've just required, right? So that's the thing, right? So now I'm just putting a function called render, right? That will just render it. Okay, so right, and then yeah, hello world, yeah, like this is what I'm just doing, right? So now let's see whether it works. Okay, so now in handler, rather than this one, I need to take this out, right? So I'll just take it out. Okay, so and now I'll just require this root page. If you can see, of course, the AI is helping me a lot. Okay, so and then over here, like I'll just put root render, right? As simple as that, right? So it's running, this stuff is running. So let me just go to the root stuff and see whether it works. No, it doesn't. Okay, so what happened, right? So, right. Root CLJ11. Okay, what happened? Root CLJ11, right? I don't understand what really happened. Okay, right. So, okay, let us put Ripple and check out. Okay, what happened, right? Okay, does this give any hint? Uh, I don't know. It doesn't. Okay, right. Let me just execute it. So maybe something is wrong over here. Right. So let me just take this stuff out and execute this. Yeah, now it just executes. So and now I just need to put require, and then little ring things. Pages dot template as T, right? Okay, so yeah. So now if I execute it, yeah, everything works. This works, so it should work. So that's one advantage of Ripple, but it still doesn't work. I'm not sure what's happening. Yeah, I think I need to save the file, right? Yeah, now if I execute, yeah, it works. Okay, so this hello world works, right? So, yeah, that's about it. Anyway, let me stop the server, right? And then once I can start it, right? So, yeah, this hello world works, right? And even if I put hello Mars, it works. Okay, so yeah, things are going fine, right? But okay, right. Now, okay, handler is over here. Yeah, of course, the root stuff is being done, and let's put about.clj. I don't think we need Calva, this Ripple now, so let me just close it. So, yeah, right. So now let me put another thing called about.clj. About.clj, right. So once again, yes, right. So little ring things pages and then you've got this about.clj, right? So of course, yeah, help me. So I'm just including the template over here, and similarly, like over here, I'm just passing this thing like the title is about, and then the page content over here, and then that's it, right? So that's about it, right? So let's come to our handler. Let me close other stuff. Let me come to handler over here, right? So, and now, yeah, AI once again helped. Okay, right? So I'm just, what to say, little ring things as about, and then about render is being, what to say, put over here, right? So, yeah, look, now it just looks more readable, and then you can just go over here and then worry about it. Okay, so that's the thing. And look, now the pages are simple, but imagine the about page is like contains a lot of content or lot of markup and all those things, and then you can just go here and then handle it rather than doing it over here. So just imagine like if you've got like 50 pages or something like that, it'll be difficult to do it in Handler. That's the thing. So now let's check about, right? So slash about, right? Closure ring tutorial, right? So yeah, that's good, right? So okay, now this hello page. Okay, I'll just put a thing called hello.clj. Some people might say like, okay, like why are you explaining it in such detail? Like I did have such comments before, and the only thing I can just say is like, look, some people can understand stuff easily, and some people might be new to Clojure, but yeah, I need to educate myself in case I'm not smart in the future, right? Another thing is like some people just need to what to say like may not even know the tiniest of thing, and they need to be what to say educated in detail. So that's why I just make it a point to go meticulously. So that's the thing, right? So yeah, and, and yeah, so right. So we have just put it, and let's come to the handler, right? So let's see whether our AI helps, but I'm not sure, right? So hello is here. Yeah, we included. Okay, right. And then yeah, and we have what to say rendered it over here, right? So now let me just put something like hello, and then let me just put my country name, India, and yeah, it works. Okay, so things seems to work. Okay, so and hello India is here in case you wanted to see bigger. Yeah, right. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, so things are working. So similarly, the time. Okay, time will also. Yeah, it is a very very similar process. Anyway, I'll just do it. Right, time. Okay, dot clg. Right. Okay, right, and yeah. Anyway, the AI has picked up, and so it's just helping me left, right, and center. Right. So yeah. So let me come back to handler and once again, right over here. Yeah, time, right? And then, come on, yeah, help me. No, it won't help me. Yeah, it has helped, right? So now let me just put time over here. And we have got some error. That's really nice. Okay, right? Uh, time CLJ 553. Okay, right. So it's in time CLJ, right? Okay, so let me just put this ripple. Okay, right. So the ripple is already running. Okay, so and yeah, I wanted it in the right side. Okay, so now let's just concentrate on time. Let's see what happened, right? So yeah, this local date is not there, right? So I need to do an import over here, right? So yeah, so that's the thing. Yeah, no need ripple. That's the thing. And now if I just refresh, I get the time. Now if I refresh again, of course, the time changes. At least the seconds should change. This is the seconds, right? So this is the seconds, right? Okay, now it's changing. So not a problem, right? Okay, yeah, fine. So we have kind of refracted stuff. Okay, so that's the thing. And of course, Clojure says that we are not using template over here. Definitely, yeah, we are not using it. Let's remove it. And of course, this was moved to this uh, time CLJ, right? So, and it's no longer needed. So this is where I'm going to use thing called para. Look, anyway, it just looks confusing, right? These brackets. So, and I will do what to say, select um forward 6p. forward. Okay, select current form. Yeah, that also works. So and then I just press delete and then tab and yeah, that's it. So hopefully things should work, right? So yeah, things are working. Okay. So, but I do have another concern, right? So, when I was just preparing for this video, like I used to do a simulation run, right? So, like, and I got the output as this one, like before, and like, of course, like the paragraph and all, it was just displayed as lesser than p, greater than, and all those stuff you can see over here. So, from this what to say screenshot and now I'm unable to recreate it, so maybe yeah, I will just what to say stop the server and restart it to see. And yeah, I forgot to put a new branch. That's a very bad practice. Okay, so I need to put a new branch. Okay, so I'll put it as 005 pages. Okay, so right, and then yeah, like I will lean ring server. Yeah, is it running? I have no idea. I did put it. And I did press enter, right? So, okay, I'll just exit this terminal. Sometimes, yeah, anti-gravity can mess things up. So, the ring server. Hopefully it runs because sometimes port 3000 could be occupied, right? Yeah, now it just works. But before I got it like that, so I asked AI and AI told me to put something like this one. Okay, root. Okay, so over here, rather than like this, like I need to put a hiccup format like P and then hello. Let me put it as hello world. Why hello mass? Okay, so and it's okay, yes, right. So and hello world, right? So you need to do like this, but otherwise I just got a weird error which I'm unable to recreate over here. I don't know why, right? So maybe I don't know the person who's doing hiccup or something like if you know him, like maybe 6 degrees of separation is there, right? So maybe yeah, like that kind of error appeared and I didn't know what to do, right? So okay, will AI help me? Yeah, it's helping me, right? This is closure ring tutorial. Just look, right? AI just helped me. It just picked up stuff. Okay, so this is about, and let us check about. It's better to check everything, right? So and then let's check this hello and come on, yeah, help me, right? Yeah, and hello name and yeah, right. So hello, right? I'll just put closure. I'll just put India, right? Okay, hello India. So yeah, now there's exclamation mark before. I think there wasn't. But yeah, anyway, like let it be. Yeah, that's good, right? And then I think time, right? And once again, it helps me. Okay, so yeah. So the current local time is, and that's the thing. So just look, this one, okay, over here. I just want to show. So the current local time and this one, and it somehow concatenates. Okay, so and that's really good. No need to give something like S, no need to wrap this in this str macro or function. I'm not sure whether it's macro or function, right? I have only when I see the documentation, I do know whether something is a macro or a function. Okay. So yeah, like no need to wrap it in that str function or macro, whatever it is. And yeah, like you can just what to say, specify this and it'll still work. So I need to hit time over here. Uh, time, right? And let me go to my last URL, right? Hello India. Okay, yeah, fine, right. That's okay. Okay, and time should change. Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's working. So this is how you are supposed to do pages and yeah, and keep handlers simple. And maybe in upcoming videos you will see like how it's helping us to what to say modify things faster. So that's the thing. So let me just stop my server and maybe I can even jack out. Okay, so jack out, right? So the Calva stuff, I don't know whether you have noticed it. It would have been over here, this terminal and Calva. The Calva just got closed. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So maybe yeah, you can just generate a commit message and all those stuff. Uh, right. So had everything, generate a commit message. Oh, before in anti-gravity, this wasn't working. This generate commit, it says like I couldn't find the model and all those stuff, but yeah, now it works. Now in anti-gravity, yeah, suddenly it just everything just becomes gibberish, like something like an old television, broken television or something like that, or some system that's been infected by a virus. I don't know. Like everything becomes gibberish, okay, in anti-gravity, and that happens. But yeah, like fortunately for this video series, till now it hasn't happened, right? So I'm happy about that. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet in next video. Bye.